Hey guys, it's me again. It's your local mess. I'm doing a unboxing video for you guys. Today I've been trying to see if I can do I'm trying to hide my forehead. I've been trying to do this video for a while now. This is not really an unboxing video, but because it's been unboxed and used already, but it's basically I had it for like about a week, but I'm unboxing my laptop. So if y'all been a OG viewer on my channel, y'all would know the struggles I had with technology and a computer to edit, and I was in the process of back and forth trying to borrow my family's stuff. My laptop decided to end its life. Well, technically the hard drive was finished, so technically my computer was done. So I had no computer to edit with. I had so many different like ideas and different videos I wanted to make and different vlogs, and everything was just like a no-go for me. I had my graduation video to finish and all these different like videos and vlogs, and it shut down on me all of a sudden. I'm grateful though. I had my computer for like 8 years and went through not primary school, secondary school, college, and university. So if it could last through a thesis, that'd be fine. But let me stop talking. So my aunt blessed me. She came back from Miami. She ordered one overseas for me. This is a Lenovo. Okay, these are little spots is from me touching it all the time. So this is a Lenovo, I think it's a notepad or something like that. Yeah, let me read this stuff. This is what she brought it in because, you know, coming through the airport, not really supposed to travel with the boxes, and there's different laws in different places. So she was carrying it in her hand luggage. Let's see what it is. It's, yeah, the Lenovo notebook. This is it. This is the brand is Lenovo Ideapad notebook 130-14 IKB or some crap like that. So this is equipped with Windows 10 technology. I say technology like I know what you're talking about, but yeah, this is a 64-byte computer, and this was very, very prevalent for me because I needed to edit and I needed space to edit and to store my stuff. I mean, like 64 bytes ain't a lot, but it was enough for me. So it comes with an adapter. It looks very different. See this little piece right here, and then you plug it in right here. Now this is 15 inches. I kind of asked for 15 inches because my previous laptop was 14 and I had a 15-inch laptop sleeve. See, it's Roxy. I had this for a while, so I didn't want to throw this away or give this away, so I was looking for a 15-inch specifically. So okay, so let's analyze the specs. So this area, this port right here is for the charger. I'm not a tech person, so don't drag me. So they got like different ports here. I know these two are for the USB ports. This is for the headphone jack. This is for, I guess, extra storage, like if you have an extra SD card or some like a SD slot, storage slot. Because my previous laptop had one at the bottom that you could just pull it out and put in the SD card in it, and whoop. This doesn't have much on the other side, just the part where you put the CDs in, but who the hell want to use a CD in this day and age unless you want to install something on the computer? So when you open your laptop, it opens like this, and this is like, I don't know, a dust mat or whatever. My uncle was like, oh, you should get the laptop with like the buttons that light up, but these buttons don't light up. The only button that lights up is the caps lock button and the power button. So I'll show you right about now. Yeah, and it has a webcam, of course. It's very sleek though. It's thin, but it's heavy. Although it's really thin, is like has a weight on it. Like, I don't know if that's the hard drive that's making it heavy, but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you like a review of what it is. This is the on button. You turn it on once and you wait. Just a normal touchpad here, and it comes up like that. So yeah, the caps lock, like all these rest of things that, you know, that a laptop should have. The mic, not the microphone, the speaker is like actually in between this area. Okay, let me tilt it. Yeah, that's the speaker right in between there. So it comes up. I already set the laptop already. I've used it. I've vlogged on it. Not vlogged on it. I've edited on it and also I have everything set up basically. Just give me an overview of what's going on. So this is my home page, my desktop page right now. This is, you know, Recycle Bin, Google Chrome. It's my channels. I use Filmora. I want to share for everybody that asking me which software I use. Yeah, it's the basics. I put my taskbar on the right because I try to be different, you know. Like I said before, it's Windows 10, so you're gonna have all this. It actually came with like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, and I think Access. Yes, it came with Access, but I think it's on a free trial thing, so I think I have to go and like either buy it or try to see if someone has like the CD or whatever they can let me so I can install it or whatever. So yeah, this is just an overview of it. Netflix, all these different things, and yeah, I don't think I need to like go too in depth. It's just normal stuff, and then you turn it off. I'm not gonna turn it off because I have to edit, but yeah, this is just an overview of it. I don't know where the mic is, the built-in mic is, but yeah. Okay, so one thing, this is the fan, of course. I don't know where the battery is, or if it has a removable battery, or if it's a built-in battery, but my previous laptop had a removable battery, but this seems like it doesn't have a, it seems like it has a built-in battery to me, so I don't think it's too much to worry about, but it's all right. Basically like a small review on it. I've had it for like a week, like I said before, and it works nicely. It fits my sleeve. It has sufficient memory. I can't speak today. It has sufficient memory and whatever. 64-byte processor like I wanted. So that's my little review, unboxing, clickbait. I don't know what to call this, but you know, thank you guys for watching. I have a review video on my camera that I use. It's basically just a vlogging camera, but if you want to see that, you could click up here or wherever. I'll just link it. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.